Hey everyone, welcome to this tutorial on Cursor AI. I am Luciano from Yprom, and today I'm gonna show you Cursor and how to use its main feature to improve your coding experience. Rules for AI allow us to customize the AI behavior with global and project-specific rules. Those are useful for framework-specific rules, custom AI patterns, code styling, and architecture preferences. So, here I have my cursor settings and we have the session rules for the AI. This part is for the global configuration and is local for my machine. I don't know, always use React, something like that. We can start to write the rules, and with all the rules we start to improve those improve the outputs of the AI. Here in this section we have the project rules that the scope is only related for the current project. I have two rules defined here, used for custom error. For example, this is a simple rule that I have created. When there is a catch block, insert the following code: console error, custom global error from AI rules. Let's try this. This is working. Create a get task function with try catch block. Okay, now cool. We have our custom error, and that is because the definition in the project rule. Here, for example, I have a more extensive rule that is setting the role and the behavior of the AI. You are a senior front-end developer, an expert in React, etc., etc., with all the lists that we want. For example, this is really useful. Insert the code is complete. Don't repeat yourself. So super cool. If we want to create a new rule, we can create, I don't know, class components. Use class components like all days. Use class components. Always use class components. We can add file here and we can use Markdown. Let's try this. All React, all component. Create component. Let's see. Okay, cool. So it is using class, so the rule is working. So yeah, super cool, the AI rules.